IKNOWLEE. Back with another video. IKNOWLEE. Back with another video. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of IKNOWLEE, and if you are here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. I keep saying it, okay? It's disrespectful for you to be watching my videos and you not be subscribed to my channel. So go ahead and hit it because I have new uploads every single week. Now, today, you see I already got these perm rods in my head because I'm doing a dry perm rod set, and I'll rewind and show you guys exactly how I did it, even though it's essentially the exact same way I would do a wet perm rod set, but I do want to show you the difference. And at the end of the video, I'll show you guys a side-by-side comparison of a dry versus a wet perm rod set. So before we take these out, let me show you exactly how I did this. Now let's get into taking these out. When you take out perm rods, all you do is take them out in the direction opposite of the way that you rolled them. So if you rolled them to the left, then you would take them out to the right because you're not trying to damage your hair, sis. If you find one that is tangled, just leave it alone until you get through with the rest of your hair, then come back to that one so that you can gently remove it. But let's just speed through this because, you know, this is like the boring part. We want results. Haha. All of the rollers are out, so what I'm going to do is spray it with a little bit of oil to protect it against the humidity and add like that little bit of shine. It's also going to help prevent frizz, so I'm just going to use Uncle Funky's Daughter Glossy because it's in a spray bottle. And I like how convenient this is. Smells pretty good too. And then what you do when you take them down is you just grab small sections of each curls, try to catch it where it naturally splits, and then wrap it around your finger all the way down. I usually separate each curl into about 6 to 8 different parts. So let's speed through this one more time. This is what my hair just looks like, just freshly separated. I haven't done anything to it. If you notice that with a dry perm rod set, the hair does tend to be a little bit longer than it would with the wet perm rod set. On wet hair, it tends to shrink up a little bit more. So now that my hair is growing, I'm not going to too much mess with the shape. So I am going to kind of look like Curly Sue, and that's okay. We're going to do a little bit more work, so I'm using my pick. And I'm mainly just going to focus on the top of my hair because I want the back and the sides to stay fairly short. So in the back and the sides, just to kind of get rid of the parting, all I do is just kind of stick the pick in. It just helps just a little bit. But I don't lift. Now when it comes to the top, I lift. And then for the sides, this is literally what I normally do. I kind of pat them down so that they'll look shorter, and it'll give me more of that original taper cut look. So yeah, pat that and then pull the top up a little bit, but make sure you kind of keep the shape even. Then sometimes I'll even pull some of the front out of my face and then just kind of have, you know, y'all know about my Superman curl. Oh, that's cute. I think I'm gonna keep it like just like that. I don't even be worried about my back. I just be worried about what the front look like. Ain't that sad? This is it, my loves. Let's look at the side-by-side comparison of a dry versus a wet perm rod set. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure that you subscribe, like this video, and share it with anybody that you know that's looking for a way to style their dry, natural hair, or even something that's quick that they can refresh during the week that won't take that long to dry. This is gonna be it, because I'm telling you, you can do so much with this, and it's gonna last you about 3 to 4 days. If you live in a drier climate, you might even be able to get away with it for a week. I don't have that luxury, sorry. So it starts looking a little weird at about 3 or 4 days, okay? Then I gotta redo it. But that's it, guys. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.